Let's begin. Let's begin. Okay, first of all, it's important to state our disclaimer here. We are not investment advisors. We are not operating as investment advisors in the market. Is what it is. Investment is risky. So it's important that if you wish to make an investment, you take advice from your investment specialists before you do so. We provide this for information purposes. So that's that. This is our obligatory disclaimer. Okay, let's start. Okay, so most of you who are beginning Forex may not know exactly what this is. You know, some of you may have seen it here and there. Okay, by the end of this introductory series, it's going to be a series, not too long, maybe a series of two, three, 4 videos, depending. You should be able to tell what these are and what they mean. Okay, have a better understanding of what these mean. Okay, that's the objective of this series. Provide that robust introduction into Forex and Forex trading. Okay, so let's start. Okay, of course, you've just seen the chart and we see clearly that there is a Forex trader behind the screen. Important to show you this because this is what a Forex trader must look at on a daily basis. Very important. Okay. So we know about Forex, the Forex market. Why does it exist? There's such a thing as the Forex market. Why does it exist? It's what the Forex trader trades. Why does the Forex market exist? Right? Okay. So to buy this in Nigeria, seeing that I'm a Nigerian and I'm in Nigeria, okay, you most likely paid in Naira. That's the Nigerian currency, the Naira, right? The Nigerian importer paid the American company, Nike, in dollars. Okay, he sells it to Nigerians in Naira, but he actually paid dollars for it. The shoes were manufactured in China, as we know. So the American firm, Nike, had to make some payments in the Chinese yuan. Okay, so we have 3 currencies already. We have the Nigerian naira, the US dollar, the Chinese yuan. Okay. For a person living in Japan to import a TV from the US, he needs to buy US dollars first. It stands to reason. To import TVs from the US, you have to buy US dollars first before you can pay for your TV. Okay. So now it is intuitive that there has to be some kind of international trade of currencies, right? In order for international trade to take place. With our Nike example, we have the Naira, we have the dollar, we have the Chinese yuan, right? Now we have the Japanese yen, and we have again the dollar. So there has to be a central place. If international commerce is to thrive, there has to be also a thriving foreign exchange market. Okay, that's clear? So as long as there's international trade, the forex markets will always exist. What is forex? Forex is essentially a nice acronym for foreign exchange. We call it an acronym. It's a shortening, an abbreviation, if you like. FOR, FOR here, foreign, then EX, exchange. Okay, so foreign exchange. So now we understand what forex is. So we can easily understand that forex trading is simply the trading of foreign exchange. So the forex market is a market where foreign exchange is traded. Okay, now here to your left, we have the Wodil cattle market. It's in Kano, Nigeria, where my country is. Then we have the Billingsgate fish market in the United Kingdom. The market on the left deals in cattle. The market on the right deals in fish, right? So just as we have those markets, we have a market that deals in currency, in foreign currency, currency from different nations. So there has to be a market. Where is this market? It's not in a location like the Woodhill market or the Billingsgate market in the UK, Woodhill market in Nigeria, the Billingsgate market in the UK. This market is global and it has centers from where transactions are cleared. These centers are referred to as stock markets. You've heard of the London stock market, the Chicago stock market, Tokyo, Sydney, Wellington, and so on and so forth. So accounts are settled 24 hours a day. This is actually out of date right now because currently we're heading to almost 7 trillion per day. In this forex market, about $7 trillion, almost $7 trillion trade hands, change hands every day. So we have a very large, substantial market. Okay. So the forex market is everywhere. The trades are settled electronically. That's why it can be everywhere. Okay, and even before trades were settleable electronically, they had means of settling trades across oceans and so on and so forth. We'll not get into that right now. Okay, so like I mentioned, the centers from which the forex market settlements are executed are referred to as stock markets, right? There are stock markets all over the world, but not all stock markets are created equal. Okay, here these are an example of some of the big ones. We have the London over here. We have the New York. We have the Sydney. We have the Tokyo. As you can see, the forex market follows the rising of the sun. This is the Universal Standard Time, I think UTC time, formerly called GBP, right? This is pretty much London time. So the market opens at 8 a.m. London time. In between the London markets, you have the opening of the New York, which goes on until about 9 or 10, depending. So we have Sydney here, which starts at 10, okay, and proceeds up to 7 a.m. GMT, okay, or UTC, okay, and so on and so forth. You have London or the Tokyo, which opens at 12 a.m. UTC. You have to convert this to meet up with your time, okay, but this actually indicates that the market follows the rising of the sun. If you see over here, we have a dark green as opposed to light green. The dark green shows that there's more money, more volume during this overlap between London and New York. There's more volume in this area than in this area. Okay, we'll get into that much later. Okay, so this is our summary. The forex markets. Okay, we have something almost, let's forget this, 5.3, let's see, almost 6.6, 6.7. I usually say about approximately 7 trillion daily is cleared in this market. It's a 24-hour a day market, and it's a market that goes on for 5 days a week. Okay, from Sunday night to Friday night. We'll discuss this a little later. This is just an introduction into forex, the forex markets and forex trading. Okay, we'll continue this lesson in the next video, right? So you could leave your comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Okay. All right, thank you very much. I'll talk to you later.